This is a short demo that will explain how to use Twextra. You can use Twextra to create large web-based messages that contain rich text and images. Once created, these messages can easily be shared on social media sites such as Twitter and LinkedIn. You might wonder what's the need for such a service. One reason is that social media sites often limit you to 140 characters, but with Twextra you can easily overcome this limitation. So let's go ahead and get started with the demo. This is a text editor where you start typing, like so. I'm just going to paste the rest of my message to save time. Okay, and now I'm going to show you some of the features of the rich text editor. So let's just change the color of this text. Okay, and then I can make certain words bold and other words underlined. I can add an emoticon. Okay. I'm going to add a title. And then I'll change the font and the size. Okay, so I'm done with my message, and now it's time to post this message. So there are a few options. One of them is to directly post to Twextra, in which case you just press post message. But optionally, you can also post to social media sites like Twitter and LinkedIn. To do that, you just click on one of them here, and then you'll be asked to sign in, and after that we will post a link to this message on your social media account. But right now I'm just going to post only to Twextra, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's the message, and at the top we have a message header in which on the left side we have the URL for the message. You can take this and share it with your friends on social media sites or IM or anywhere. And then on the top right we have the created time of the message, and then there's the message size and the views. So far there's only one view for this message. Another cool feature that we have is the message translation, which allows you to translate this message into a bunch of other languages. So let's go ahead and do that. First, select the source language, which is English, and then choose your target language. In this case, let's do French. Click on Translate. Okay, so here it is. The source language is English, so here's the original message. And then below that, we have the translated message, and in this case, it was in French. So this is really useful for Twitter, where your followers can be from different countries, and this allows them to see your message in a language that they may be more comfortable in. And you can translate it again and again. So that's pretty much what Twextra enables. I hope you give it a try. Thank you.